Imagine a world where the currents that drive our oceans suddenly stop. A world where temperatures drop, storms intensify, and sea levels rise. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's a potential reality. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been making waves in the scientific community: the potential collapse of the Gulf Stream system. Known as the Atlantic Meridional Overturning Circulation or AMOC, this system is vital for regulating our planet's climate. Recent studies suggest that the AMOC could collapse as soon as 2025, leading to catastrophic climate impacts. But how did we get here? Show animation of global heating effects. Global heating has weakened the AMOC to its lowest in 1,600 years. And in 2021, scientists spotted warning signs of a tipping point. The new analysis estimates a collapse between 2025 and 2095, with 2050 being the central estimate if we don't reduce carbon emissions. Past collapses have led to temperature changes of 10 degrees Celsius in just a few decades. But those were during ice ages. Now, some scientists argue that there are too many uncertainties to pinpoint an exact timing for this tipping point. But they all agree on one thing: the potential collapse of AMOC is extremely concerning. AMOC carries warm ocean water northwards. As it reaches the pole, it cools and sinks, driving the Atlantic's currents. But melting ice from Greenland is disrupting this process. A collapse would have global consequences. From disrupting rains in India, South America, and West Africa to increasing storms and dropping temperatures in Europe. The eastern coast of North America would see rising sea levels. The Amazon rainforest and Antarctic ice sheets would be further endangered. Professor Peter Ditlevson, who led the new study, warns that the AMOC hasn't shut off for 12,000 years. Its potential collapse is one of the most concerning climate tipping points. Research in 2022 identified 5 dangerous tipping points, including the shutdown of AMOC and the melting of Greenland's ice cap. The new study used sea surface temperature data to estimate the tipping point. And while the analysis is based on current emission rates, reducing emissions could give us more time. The debate among scientists is intense. Some argue that the models used are too simplistic, while others believe the tipping point is closer than we think. Professor Stefan Rahmstorff sums it up by saying that while there's uncertainty about the AMOC tipping point, evidence suggests it's much closer than previously thought. Show dramatic visuals of climate impacts. The stakes are high. We're talking about a risk that we'd want to be 99.9% certain about avoiding. The time to act is now. The future of our planet depends on it. Closing scene. Host standing on the beach with the ocean in the background. Thanks for joining us today. Remember, knowledge is power. Let's use it to make a difference. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.